Very nice texture and smell. Worked very well. Revolution Hemp Cream is absolutely amazing. Pain relief is almost instantaneous. It's that quick. Anyone with aches or pains should give this product a try. My husband could barely bend his hands. I rubbed them with Revolution Hemp Cream and within seconds he started to feel relief. This morning he woke up and couldn't believe how good his hands felt. This product is also amazing for knee pain, back pain, or even if you get a Charlie horse. I could go on and on about how great this product is. Anyone who uses Revolution Hemp Cream will be very happy they did. Closing parenthesis. I like the texture, very creamy. The smell isn't strong like icy hot, which I love because icy hot hurts my nose. I like how it is vegan and not tested on animals. It also makes my skin soft and has a tingling sensation. I have sore muscles 24/7, so I was happy I saw this product because I was tired of using icy hot that burned my skin and left me red. I am in love with how it smells. It's minty and smells amazing. It's minty and smells amazing. It's not greasy. A little bit goes a long way. Absorbs quickly. It's got a safety seal so you know you're getting a brand new product. It's also a good sized tub of cream and not small like the others. Highly recommend. So good. I use it after working out and I have pain around my knees and legs the most. Massaging it into the area gives me relief in 30 minutes when I would normally be sore for days. I love the ingredients and the smell. This product is my new holy grail. I've been using this pain relief cream for about a week now and it's been a major lifesaver. If you're in a lot of discomfort and looking for a mild pain relief, then I'd highly recommend you try it out. Plus it couldn't have came at a better time. With all horrible weather we're getting lately, I rarely let. It also has a great cream texture consistency, not too thick but not watery either, and is easily applied. It has a light lime green color but it's organic and doesn't have any other color additives, so you don't have to worry about it staining and ruining your clothes, which is a great plus since I have. This cream helped me with my knees. Very little has helped cut the pain like this. Very happy customer. I have tried countless topical pain relief products for over 3 years and none came close to Revolution Hemp Cream. I was surprised to find that it worked as soon as I rubbed it in and that worked on the deepest of joint pains. This stuff smells fantastic. Super moisturizing with a scent that isn't too powerful. Works great for pain relief on achy joints. Purchased this after a friend recommended. I get a lot of arthritis from the gym throughout the years and this cream helps me relieve the pain. Love the feeling. Click link in description for details.